In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Johto Cartography Table in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you defeat Champion Blue. You also need to defeat all 8 gym leaders and the Elite 4. So after you defeat Champion Blue, you're then going to get access to all of the Johto region mobs, all of the Johto region crafting recipes and stuff like that. But if you guys just want to do it with commands, then all you need to do is do /function, then type in cobble, and then verse, then blue_champion_defeated, just like so. Then go ahead and press on enter, and that is effectively going to do the same thing. So it's automatically going to defeat Champion Blue for you. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and relog in order for your game to actually be updated with all the Johto regions and Johto items. Alright guys, then afterwards you need to go ahead and load back in, place down a crafting table, and you're going to need these materials: some wood, azure balls, and a piece of paper. Place your piece of paper on top here. Then you want to go ahead and place your wood like this. Then place your Pokeballs like this. You're then going to be able to go ahead and craft the Johto crafting table, and then from there, you're able to go ahead and create all of the necessary maps that you need in order to find the Johto legendary structures and other gyms, etc. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.